Let's dive right into this explainer. For a long time, we've basically treated AI like a smart conversational tool, right? Ask a question, get an answer. But today, we're moving way beyond simple chat to execute complex, real-world tasks from start to finish. It's all about the workflow behind the intelligence. To put this in perspective, imagine telling your AI, plan my business trip to New York. A standard chatbot just recommends some flights and hotels, leaving all the actual work to you. But an AI agent, it goes to work. It checks your calendar, compares options, builds an itinerary, and crucially, asks for your approval before spending a dime.
So how does it pull that off? It all comes down to the AI agent workflow. This is what transforms a basic AI model into an autonomous system. Instead of just giving a single answer, this workflow lets the agent plan, act, check its own work, and improve over and over until it hits your goal.
To make this super clear, I want you to use this one mental model. An AI agent is essentially like a project manager, running a project. Just like a human manager, the agent receives a goal, creates a plan, delegates the work, tracks progress, and adjusts on the fly until the project is totally finished.
This heartbeat of productivity breaks down into a continuous 5-step loop. Step 1, receive a goal. Step 2, create a plan. Step 3, use authorized tools. Step 4, take actions. And finally, Step 5, evaluate the results and repeat until the task is complete.
Looking at that planning phase for a New York trip, the agent breaks the big goal into bite-sized tasks, like identifying flights, checking your calendar, and arranging transport. And here's the cool part. This plan dynamically updates as the agent works, adjusting just like a real manager would.
Now, to actually take action, the agent connects to the digital world using only authorized tools and strict permissions, like your web browser, calendar, or email client. It's not just guessing. It actively reads live flight data or checks your open time slots.
Right after taking an action, the agent hits a crucial feedback loop to evaluate its work. It literally asks itself, did that search work? Is information missing? Do I need human approval before booking a non-refundable flight? If it's not perfect, it just repeats the loop.
This continuous engine powers real-world applications across all sorts of industries, from deep research and travel planning to document prep, customer support, and software development. While different agents might use slightly different workflows, this core looping engine remains exactly the same.
Now, seeing all this might make you wonder, how does the AI magically know every single step to take without someone constantly holding its hand? How does it jump from flights to hotels without getting completely lost?
Well, it's not magic. It continuously figures out its next best move based on 4 factors: your overarching goal, the available authorized tools, feedback from its previous actions, and your initial instructions. It calculates its next step by simply checking its status against these parameters.
But listen, because these agents take real actions, like sending emails or spending your money, trust is an absolute must. Designing reliable workflows with authorized permissions and mandatory human oversight is just as important as the intelligence of the AI itself. I'll leave you with this really memorable takeaway. An AI agent doesn't just think once. It works in a loop until the job is done. But remember, for that loop to be truly trustworthy, reliable workflows, strict permissions, and your human oversight are completely essential. Thanks for tuning into this explainer.